Okay, well I found something interesting on this rebuild. This is my saddle and my cross slide. There's nothing holding it together, there's no gib in there, there's no bolts. What happens is the cross slide gets stuck to the saddle. If I turn this around 180 degrees, this is not the way it normally goes. This can slide quite easily. If I turn it the way it should go, if I take it up to take a position where the gib should be, it slides quite easily. If I take it back to the normal operating position, I get this huge drag along there. Now to demonstrate it, if I put that on an angle, now that's, I don't know, 30 degrees, that's a fair angle. Turn that 180 degrees and it slides down no matter where I put it, as it should. Turn it back to normal, push it up so it takes up the space where the gib is, it slides down. If I put it to where the normal operating position is, it stays there. Why is that happening? Stays there. Again, just stays there. I think what I'm seeing is something called ringing. And no, it's not the same as a belt. What happens is that this face in here of this dovetail and the matching face on this dovetail for the last 80 years is so highly polished that it comes up with a phenomenon called ringing. And if you deal in precision work, you will use gauge blocks. And what you can do is you can take 2 gauge blocks, wipe them like that, and they'll stick. It's a scientific fact. Nobody knows why it happens, but that's what I've got. Now the problem is, if I put oil in there to lubricate it, and if I put oil in there, I will lose that stickiness. But the problem is, there's no room for the oil to stay there, so it's going to squirt out. But it's an interesting thing to notice. I can feel that quite stiff, and it makes the lathe a little bit harder to operate. Interesting.